welcome to my channel. It's Aditi here. So kindly hit the red button below and also the bell icon so that we stay connected. Feel blessed to have you here every time. This video is about a haul video. It's a Purplle haul video. I bought many products from Purplle. All the products here would be below 200 or maybe one would be above 200 actually. So yes, let's get, so without any further delay, let's get started. If you don't know that Purplle is having the Christmas sale 2020 and also the New Year sale where you can get your products at a very good discount and even you can get complimentary products for many brands. So big thumbs up to Purplle. Today's video we will go from skincare to makeup because skincare is my priority and honestly makeup मुझे उतना आता नहीं है honestly. By God grace I wish I would learn it by sometime now. So coming towards the first product is this Good Vibes Rose Hip Deep Cleansing Face Wash. I have used it much even. It's also cruelty free. It's a very good face wash. It's very refreshing face wash and even after you use it you will feel that rosy wala vibe actually. So it's very good even. I just love the product but I am not pretty sure the deep cleansing part because if I use it without removing my makeup it doesn't do a pretty good job. So after I remove my makeup with micellar water then only it does a good job. So it's the MRP of the product is 175 rupees and I also splashed it on the screen about how much I bought it. Basically the product is really nice. It's a very pocket friendly face wash. Second product is this Good Vibes Rose Hips Clean Clarifying Toner. It contains no sulfates and it's even cruelty free. It's really refreshing. I just love the product. Even मैं इतना use कर चुकी हूँ उसको कि मैं इसका कैप खो चुकी हूँ. Sadly, it is in the MRP 195 and I'll also splash on the screen about how much I bought it. So yeah. Big thumbs up. It contains purified water, rosehip oil and coffee extract with many other ingredients. Product is this Good Vibes Rose Hip Skin Glow Face Scrub. It's a very moisturizing face scrub. I just love the product. मैं इसको हफ्ते में शायद 2 बार यूज़ करती हूँ, कभी कभी 3 बार कर लेती हूँ अगर मेरा स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा नीडफुल है. So it basically looks like this. It just has a creamy structure on it and I just love the product actually because it's Good Vibes का सारे products cruelty free होता है, sulfates नहीं होता है and it has the good things in it. So I love Good Vibes product and moreover I am just fan of the packaging. Even this packaging is, I just love the product packaging. Product is Good Vibes Rose Hip Skin Whitening Face Mask. It's very nice. It has that clearly rose like color. I just love the color actually and as you can see I have used it much even. I use it every week but it leaves my skin dry. Actually winter से उसका गलती नहीं है but I think I'll be getting another face मास्क जो थोड़ा मॉइस्चराइजिंग हो मेरे स्किन के लिए बिकॉज ऐसे विंटर्स में अगर ऐसे ही तो ड्राई हो जाता है स्किन. अगर हम और ड्राई करते हैं अपना स्किन तो देयर इज़ नो पॉइंट ऑफ इट राइट. इट ब्राइटन्स माई स्किन. I am just pretty honest, it brightens my skin like hell. Like hell, it gives me a glow in 15 minutes. It does a pretty good job of like a sheet mask. Like sheet mask gives us radiant glow. It gives us a radiant glow even. Means अब use करने के बाद 15 minutes रखने के बाद after you wash it, you will feel that yeah, I look so bright. So finally coming towards the star of the product, that is the Good Vibes Rose Hip Facial Serum. ये सारे रोज हिप का कलेक्शन है बस यही एक कारण है, that is this because I am just fascinated with it. I am just obsessed with this face serum. It's my second bottle. First bottle I purchased of 10 ml, then I purchased this of 13 ml and then I am purchasing, I have even placed an order now of 50 ml. So this is, I am clearly obsessed with it. I other serums also but I am actually afraid of breakouts, so I am not trying other serum and I think this does a pretty good job. Means I just love the product. It's cruelty free and it gives us radiant glow to our skin. Even I am thinking of using it before my makeup also. For now I am using the aloe vera gel as a primer but I think I'll be switching to it because I use it every night. very good. RP is showing is $399 for this facial serum, but I bought it for around 315 rupees. You can even get it below 200, the 10 ml one. Next product is this Nivea body wash or body shower gel in water lily and oil. It is even dermatologically tested. It does a pretty good job. It refreshes your skin much and even doesn't leave your skin much drier. It does a pretty good job. I don't use soap from I think on the last year itself, so I just love the product. And I usually go for body scrubs, but on the days I feel tired or on the days I feel a bit lazy, I go for body wash. Product is this NY Babe eyeliner in the shade Matte Black. It's my first eyeliner even. It does a pretty good job. हमको लगा था कि बहुत सस्ता है तो मिट जाएगा, लेकिन it does a pretty good job. Now it doesn't go, as you can see. Yeah, so it does a pretty good job. Product is from Blue Heaven. It is a flawless makeup translucent powder. So it comes like, it looks like this. It's a very good loose powder. Even I have applied it now. Even it gives you the shiny wala vibe. Even I don't know how. It comes with this sponge. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? I mean the sponge maybe. So yeah, it comes with holes in it. So you just need to tap it there and just apply it. So yeah, it also have a good smell of it actually. So I just like the product. It's in the MRP 125 and I got it for around 115 maybe. So yeah, I just love the loose powder. Actually, I was not pretty sure, confused between the Maybelline one and this one, but I thought as it's my first product, I should go for a cheaper one. But I'm just happy with the product. Is this Blue Heaven eyeshadow palette. It's a glitter eyeshadow palette. It is the 12-in-1 eyeshadow palette. It's good product and even I thought it would be a little bit bigger. मुझे लगा था थोड़ा सा और बड़ा होगा, लेकिन it's okay. It's for 135 में क्या ही और expect करती. And it's even really pigmented. As you can see the golden color and this is the green color. It's quite pigmented even. So yeah, Blue Heaven does a pretty good job. बट मैं इसको पहले दिन थोड़ा तोड़ दी थी, मेरे से गिर गया था तो ये वाला टूट गया था. देन आई नीड टू फिक्स इट. इट्स क्वाइट पिगमेंटेड एज यू कैन सी. All the colors are actually pigmented. I'm showing you all the colors here. Even the white color is so pigmented, you can see. Next product is this Blue Heaven blush. I am just obsessed with this blush. It's in the shade 502 in the MRP 125 only, and it complements my dusky skin tone so much. So it is really pigmented even. It is really pigmented even. Even if I apply it on my skin, it looks so nice. It doesn't give me that एकदम glow. Even I didn't purchase the highlighter because it was written shiny blush, so I think it does a pretty good job of the both, and it smells divine. It genuinely smells divine. And if you think to get a blush, kindly go for this blush. It's very nice. Come towards the end of the haul. In the upcoming days there will be more videos like this, so kindly subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and I am blessed to have you here. Ta-da!